Relax, Timmy. It's not like you're getting crowned.
Anyway, looks like you're right on time. Cousin Tressa! Thanks, everyone! We love you! Hello? It's Tressa. Oh, it's my mom.
Aisha.
It's somebody named Arendor.
That's your father. He's calling to check up on you.
I don't want to talk to him.
Don't worry, just be yourself.
What's up, Arendor?
Bloom! I know how to find the Cyrenix book.
I know! Oh, sorry, that's my phone. It's my mom.
Bloom, I need your help. What about this one?
Well, it's really... Sorry. Elia.
Stella? I'll be right there.
Hang on. Timmy's texting me. Oh no! Our magic isn't working on them!
Bloom, it's Dad. Where are you, honey?
Of course.
Hey, good news!
We've got to do something.
And we've got to do it fast. It's Aisha.
I think I know what's going on.
It's Sky.
Bloom!
Hey, Sky. We can still get a couple of hours sleep. Hi, Mom.
Titanus is attacking Gardenia.
Oh. Well, hi there, Bloom. What's going on?
The Selkies are in danger. Bloom! Melody is falling apart.
Sky, where were you?
Alert! Breaking news from Zenith. Alert! Alert!
King Cryos must have made his decision.
Uh-oh.
Tressa! Nereus!
Oh!
Hi, Timmy.
Huh?
Hey, Ribbon, it's me, Musa.
Hi, what's up?
Huh? Oh, it's Roxy.
Hey, everybody!
Imruk, what are you up to?
We'll keep trying until we find a way.
Huh?
And we'll do it with some help from the specialists. I'm just telling Sky we're about to leave on a new mission. Huh? The specialists were fighting some kind of dangerous monster. They've just landed back at Red Fountain.
Huh? That's too bad, Bloom. The guys have a surprise for us at Red Fountain!
Oh no! Pop quiz and potionology. Huh? Riven? Hey girls, did you hear the news? He just texted me. Wow, I wonder what it is. I can't wait. I'm gonna find out. I have to know what he's up to. He got me all curious. Ugh, I'm tired of waiting. What do you mean Sky left? Like out of the blue? I'm just the best. Ooh, is that from Riven? And to think Riven didn't trust you.
Was that Musa?
Huh? One sec. It's Nex. He's so cute. The people of Andros. The people of Andros. The people of Andros.
Nex is just being supportive.
I know, but this is not helping.
Huh? You know, Brandon and I sometimes disagree. Check out his new hat.
It's a catastrophe!
Maybe you're right, Aisha. It's Brandon again.
Funny.
Huh?
Let me message the others. They're on their way.
You'll make one for every core Veltor destroyed.
Oh.
Ooh, it's my mom's birthday.
You know?
Huh?
Yeah.
Who is it now?
Nobody. Look up, Bloom. I just saw a falling star.
Hey, Sky?
That's gotta be Bloom.
Riven? He wants to get ice cream after class. I'll send an Emojix to Riven and tell him we're leaving on a mission.
But don't worry too much.
I think someone's doing enough worrying for all of us.